Hey, hi and hello all, welcome back to our channel guys, and today in this video it's a teardown video only. Just now we are going to open this hard disk actually. Just now we are going to do a teardown only of this hard disk. Actually this is a laptop hard disk guys, it's a 2.5-inch hard disk. In our previous video you can already saw that 3.5-inch hard disk we have already dismantled. It's based on desktop PC hard disk. This is a 2.5-inch hard disk. It's a very small size actually. It's good. Let's come on. Now it's time to open it up. Just here's the tool to open. Actually, I need to open up the screws. Actually, screws are very tiny, guys. Actually, you can see it just got disappeared. Okay, just got somewhere. Anyway, leave it. Actually, the screws are very tiny, guys. Actually, you can see. Actually, this is the power supply purpose, this pins, and this is which just got connected with the motherboard to transfer it and read it. Actually, other than this there's nothing in this. I think there's a magnetic, you can see there's a magnet is here, it just got sticking there. Okay, just take this out. Okay, just I will pass this video and I will resume it back guys, because there's a lot more screws are there. 1 2 and I remove this. 3 4 4 screws were there. I need to remove this. And okay, finally I have removed those screws. Let's come on, just take this out. If there is any screws there, it's just a bit locking actually. Yeah, using this I can able to remove this. Oops, there is one screw is there. Okay, finally taken. Okay, and here you can see, actually here you can see there is a 3 chips were there. I think this is a main controller which it is used to manage the data transfer protocol and all, and it will connect with read and write enable elements, and plus I think it will handle error correction also guys. You can see this is the chip actually, and there's a hard drive, and the other one is I think it's RAM, the cache memory actually, which it is used for this. And then another one is it's a motor controller IC chip. It seems it will dictates how fast the spindle motor spins the plates. Actually this will decides the speed of the fan and all. Sorry, it's not a fan, it's a spindle actually, spindle motor. It will control the spindle motor. And there is a cache memory, the frequently used data which will store temporarily for faster access actually. Okay, this is the main board actually of this hard drive. Just keep this aside and let's come on, it's now time to remove some screws here now. It came. Okay, it will take some time. There is 5 screws were there. Just I will pass this video and I will resume it back guys. Okay, finally I have removed all these screws. Let's come on, it's now time to open it up. You can see how small it is actually. In previous video we have saw that a 3.5-inch hard disk, actually it's very heavy and it's huge also, but this 2.5-inch hard disk, here you can see it's very small and it's very tiny, but same shape, same accumulator arm, and same this parking bay actually for this accumulator arm, and same plater, but it is a small one. That's the different actually. Okay, let's come on. Now we need to remove this plater and all. But one thing you need to note, guys, what means for 3.5 inch there is nearly 5 screws. I think there is a 5 screws were there, but in this 2.5 there is no screws, only one screw is there. There is no 5 screw, there is only one screw is there. Actually, you can see I have taken this out. It came out, you can see. And here you can see there's a spindle motor. It's good. And there's a splitter which is used to store the data based on the different kinds of sectors here, but it is not visible. The data will get stored in the splitter based on the different kinds of sectors. In the splitter, actually there is sectors will be there in the splitter. Based on that it will store, and this accumulator arm will read and write the data. Actually, you can see like this it will work. And after turning it off, just it will go back to this parking area. Actually, I'm going to remove this and all. You can see I have removed. Okay, let's go on. It's now time to remove the screws and all. You can see here's the, actually there is a microchips were there. It's a pre-assembled, and there's actuator arm and pivot bearing is there, and there is a voice coil motor is there, which it is attached with the pivot point of the actuator arm actually. And there is a magnet. Actually, it's just kind of a sandwich type, neodymium magnets, I think. It's just kind of a sandwich thing. Okay, just I need to remove the screws and all. It's came, I think. Yeah, you can see. Oops. Actually, it's a bit kind of magnet, so only it's a bit sticky. This I need to remove the screw. Yeah, it's came. There's any other screw? I think there is nothing is there left. You can see it's a bit type of magnetic. It's a neodymium magnetic actually. Just take this out, and here you can see here's the actuator arm actually. Just a bit small actually when compared to 3.5-inch hard disk. I think there is no screw. I think there is one screw is there because it is not coming out. Just remove the sticker. Yeah, you can see I just left out one screw. Test this out, and finally we have detached this, guys. So you can see there's the actuator arm from this 2.5-inch hard disk actually. It's good. This rectangular nib, you can see, sorry, it's a triangular nib. That's it. And there's a magnetic type. You can see there's a magnet only. Okay, and okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you having any queries or means ask in the comment section, definitely I will reply. And do like and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. Let's say we'll see you in next video.